Good afternoon, students. Let us see our next topic 1.4 Pillars of Democracy. Pillars of Democracy. Before learning the topic, we will see the question and answers given here. Icebreakers. Discuss with your partner and choose the correct alternative. Here we have to choose the correct alternative. Government of the people, by the people, and for the people shall not perish from the earth. This famous statement is made by. Here options are given: Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, Abraham Lincoln, and Dalai Lama. The correct answer is given here: Abraham Lincoln. He has made this famous statement. You have to take over C option. Let us see next. A system where the government is elected and ruled by people is called democracy. Of course, it is called democracy. Here it is options are given: bureaucracy. Bureaucracy, it means that Naukarishahi. Next here given aristocracy. Aristocracy, it is means Kulin. Democracy, it is Lokshahi, and autocracy, it is means Hukumshahi. Okay, so democracy is the correct answer. Next question number 3. A democratic country is governed by its military, police, politicians, or constitution. What is the correct answer? Yes, it is constitution, governed by its constitution. Okay, let us see next question. The Trinity of Democracy comprises 3 principles. Complete the web to show the Trinity of Democracy. Trinity means त्रिमूर्ती, ज्याला आपण म्हणतो मराठीमध्ये. लोकशाहीच्या ज्या त्रिमूर्ती आहेत, इट इज बेस्ड ऑन 3 principles. 3 principles based on 3 principles. That 3 principles you have to write over here. First, it is there liberty. Write down. First principle, liberty. Liberty, what is meant by liberty? Liberty means freedom, म्हणजे स्वातंत्र्य. In Marathi we are saying. Next, that is given equality. Equality means samanata. And last one right here, fraternity. What is meant by fraternity? Means bandhu bhav. We are saying that in Marathi. These are 3 principles. It is based on 3 principles. Trinity of democracy is based on, comprises these 3 principles. Okay. Let us see next question. Match the following. Here column A is given. In column A here given constitution, next liberty, equality, fraternity. As we have seen, liberty means freedom, equality means samanta in Marathi we are saying, and fraternity means bandhu bhav. That and constitution that you have to match with column B. Here the description is given of that words, and you have to match that words. First, that is constitution. What is meant by constitution? We will see the option number D. It is an aggregate of fundamental principles or established precedents that constitute the legal basis of a polity, organization, or other type of entity, and commonly determine how that entity is to be governed. That is, you have to match the first number with column D. From column B, option number D, you have to match. Next, second, liberty. Liberty means freedom. Here first it is only given, it is the freedom to go where you want to do, where you want, do what you want, etc. म्हणजे काय, आपल्याला काहीही करण्याचं स्वातंत्र्य आहे. That is meaning of liberty. So you have to join second number with A. Third number, equality. Equality म्हणजे समानता. Third number, see here B option. It is the state of being equal, especially in status, rights and or opportunities. म्हणजे काय, आपल्याला समान हक्क दिलेले आहेत. कशाबद्दल? स्टेटस, राईट्स म्हणजे समान हक्क आहेत आपल्याला. स्त्री पुरुष समानता ज्याला आपण म्हणतो, ती आपल्या इथे आढळून येते. सो यू हॅव टू जॉईन द थर्ड नंबर विथ बी option. And last one, fraternity. Fraternity, now which is remain, that is C number. It is the sense of common brotherhood. म्हणजे काय, बंधुभाव ज्याला आपण म्हणतो. It is the sense of common brotherhood. So you have to join the last fourth with C option. Okay. Next here given last question, we will see that pillars form a support to concrete buildings. Metaphorically speaking, a strong nation too depends on strong pillars. Discuss with your partner and explain the pillars of democratic nation. Make a list of obstacles that are a threat to the progress of a nation. म्हणजे काय, आपण बिल्डिंग्स बांधण्यासाठी काय असते, आपल्याला पिलर्सची आवश्यकता असते. सेम लाईक दॅट फॉर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑल्सो, फॉर द डेमोक्रेसी ऑल्सो वी नीड द pillars. Here the title is only given, pillars of democracy. Okay, so what are the obstacles, what problem we are facing while the progressing of the nation. म्हणजे प्रोग्रेस जे भारताचा विकास होण्यासाठी जे काही अडथळे आहेत ते अडथळे, what are the obstacles that we have to make a list. First that is given that corruption. You know that what is the first obstacle? That is corruption. That is the main obstacle in the progress of a nation. I am writing over here corruption. What is meant by corruption? Corruption means bhrashtachar, that we are saying in Marathi. Next obstacle is there, population explosion. What is that next? Population explosion. म्हणजे लोकसंख्येचा विस्फोट ज्याला आपण म्हणतो. सो इन इंडिया वी हॅव सो मच पॉप्युलेशन, सो दॅट इज ऑल्सो द ऑब्स्टॅकल इन द प्रोग्रेस ऑफ अ नेशन. अँड लास्ट वन, थर्ड वन, एन्व्हायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन. एन्व्हायरमेंट डिग्रेडेशन. What is mean of that? पर्यावरणाचा ऱ्हास. That is means environmental degradation. That is also one of the obstacle in the progress of a nation. हे जे तीन आहेत, हे जे 3 पॉईंट्स ते काय आहेत, आपल्या देशाच्या विकासातील अडथळे ज्याला आपण म्हणू शकतो, अडथळे ठरत आहेत. ओके, इफ यू नो मोर पॉईंट्स, इफ यू नो मोर ऑब्स्टॅकल्स, यू कॅन ॲड ओवर दे, नो प्रॉब्लेम. In the next lecture we will see the topic of pillars of democracy. Thank you.